Today let's prepare chicken patiala. To make this you need 1 kg of chicken pieces with bone which is thoroughly cleaned. To this you add 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 and half teaspoon salt. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a vessel. Then add 4 cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick and let them sizzle for some time. Then add your 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry for 1 minute on medium heat. Once the ginger garlic paste has fried nicely, add your 3 chopped onions and saute till light brown in color. Then add your 2 chopped tomatoes and fry for 2 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 and half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well and fry for 2 minutes. Make sure you don't burn the masalas. You can add a little water as needed to prevent the masalas from burning. Now add in all the marinated chicken pieces and mix well and cook for around 3 minutes by covering the lid. Then add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 capsicum diced, 1 onion diced, and mix this all together. Then add 1/4 cup of cashewnut paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and mix this all together nicely. Cover the lid and cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Once the gravy is almost cooked, check for salt and add enough salt depending on the taste. Finally, add 1/4 cup of fresh cream and half teaspoon of ginger julienne. Mix together and cook for around 2 minutes. Serve this delicious chicken curry with rice or naan.